This is our NMD-2312D high-speed, heavy-duty walking foot zigzag sewing machine. This is an excellent machine for any heavy fabric. And the machine has a reverse, a building motor. The zigzag length can be adjusted up to 10 millimeters. And let's run the machine a little bit. The machine also have a needle positioner that right now the needle, whenever we stop, the needle will stop on top. If you wanted to stop at the bottom, you just push a button and then the needle stops in the bottom. This is an excellent machine and again it is for very heavy fabric. If you are not using that heavy fabric, we suggest a 20U machine would do the job. But as I said, this is a very strong machine, and the people that buy this, they make mostly outdoor stuff, you know, like the boat covers, sails, and a parachute, umbrellas, anything that are subjected to heavy winds. This is an excellent machine for those kind of items. Let's change the stitch length a little bit to a smaller length. Even a little smaller. Excellent machine. Thanks.